At daycare, we spend a lot of time outside in the sun, rain, and even snow. To ensure your child is well protected in all weathers, they need the right clothing. What does that include? A waterproof jacket and trousers are particularly important for wet and rainy days. This way your child will stay dry while digging in the sand or getting muddy. Wellington boots will keep their feet dry. In winter, your child needs warm clothes. This includes a cozy hat, a scarf and gloves. Padded shoes keep their feet nice and warm even on cold days. In summer, it is important that your child wears a light hat to protect themselves from the sun. You should also apply sunscreen to their skin at home in the morning. Children sometimes get wet or dirty while playing, so it is always good to have enough spare clothes at the daycare center. So what should you bring? For older children over 3 years old, we recommend having at least one complete change of outfit at the daycare center. This includes underwear, tights or socks, trousers or leggings, the t-shirt or long-sleeved shirt, and a sweater or sweatshirt jacket. For younger children under 3 years of age, it is recommended to bring 2 or 3 sets of spare clothes. The items can be stored in a compartment or bag in the wardrobe. An important note at the end: please label all items of clothing with your child's name. That way nothing gets lost. It helps to check regularly whether the clothes still fit and are appropriate for the current season. Please do not hesitate to contact us if you have any questions. Let's work together to ensure that your child feels comfortable and can play outside whatever the weather. We look forward to shared adventures with your children, whether it's sunny, rainy, or snowy.